following your lead, I'm following this feeling. I'm conquering this fear, I'm busting through the ceiling. I'm following your lead, I'm following this feeling. I'm conquering this fear, I'm busting through the ceiling. I'm following your lead, I'm following this feeling. I'm conquering this fear, I'm busting through the ceiling. I'm following your lead, I'm following this feeling. Conquering this fear, I'm busting through the ceiling. Busting through the ceiling, busting through the I'm following your lead, I'm following this feeling. I'm conquering this fear, I'm busting through the ceiling. I'm following your lead, I'm following this feeling. Conquering this fear, I'm busting through the ceiling.
Hello guys. Hello, how are you? We're starting the stream now and gonna announce. Hello, welcome, and can you hear me? Can you hear me? Hello, hello everyone. Starting the stream. Just chilling, trying to take this short because of this low being broken. Now I'm looking to take this short. Maybe we'll see. We'll see. So yeah, it's looking good. We'll see how we do, and we just gotta do wait, because I'm looking to take it the 50% of this Fair Valley gap. We just gotta wait for people to join. It's not 2:30 yet, so we will see. Hello guys, hello everyone. Let's just wait for everyone to join and then we'll see. We still got this AM session high, which is counted as a high, so I'm more conservative about this, but I know this seems like a good opportunity, but I will not enter yet. I will just wait for all of guys to join, and then we'll see what we will do. Again, this is the PM session trading. Welcome. We're gonna trade a silver bullet. We're gonna trade stuff here, my executions from my previous session. Also, I posted every single thing on the Discord, so if you wanna go check that out, you can go check this out. Welcome back, Paul. Welcome. How are you? How are you doing? Couldn't miss this. Are you trading Silver Bullet? Yes, I am trading Silver Bullet, Emiliano. I am trading Silver Bullet. And today we have a pretty good chance of winning because we determined our bias at the morning session. And we have this volume imbalance we're probably drawing to, so I'm kind of bullish, but the short term again is bearish because of this volume imbalance as well. I can draw it out for you guys. We have this, and then we have a volume balance here. So if you have any questions, just writing it down in the chat down below, because we are trading today, and I hope we win. I hope this session is also profitable, and we will see. Okay, so our bias again, long-term bullish. Let's see what DXY is doing. So DXY didn't respect this at all. It just went straight down, which means SPX continues to the upside right here. Now we are seeing a nice trade. We could enter from this midpoint of this fair value gap, which is right here. Why? Because we see we come into the fair value gap, we tap this low, which is the low resistance liquidity run to here, and then react from this down close candle to the tick. See, and then we come down, break the short-term low, and then this is the fair value gap in premium, in premium. Mike is way better today. What do you mean? Of course it is. I did something that to improve it. I know the mic has been loud previous session, but I found a way to make it louder with the OBS studio that I didn't know before. So I'm not looking to take the long right now. It's kind of risky. I'm gonna mark the sell side liquidity and buy side liquidity for you guys. So this is buy side liquidity. No, I mean sell side liquidity, and this is buy side liquidity right here. So these are two liquidities, buy side and sell side. And then we also need a Fibonacci extension to see a equilibrium and 50%, which is here, right? So you could potentially sell from 50% to this low is a bit around 5 candles, which would be profitable, but I'm looking to potentially short from this low extended in price, which could also be a bearish breaker block. Now we're also reacting to the downside, and we will see what happens. Alright, I think that sounds good. So we just gotta wait. The market just opened. There's gonna be a volatility. Yeah, so we will see what happens. So people are just joining, 10 viewers now, welcome, thank you all for watching. Today we're gonna trade a silver bullet. We're gonna trade setups that form during the PM session. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna also enter trades live on my MetaTrader 4, and again on the trading view when I enter on the MT5 as well. So first we gotta do some market review. For now we gotta do an S&P drop down analysis, which is it reacted from the order block. We went down. We're probably reaching for those equal highs as I mentioned yesterday. So this is kind of bullish example, right? This is really easy. Just 1 second, I have to go somewhere. I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. Sorry for watching. Oh, hello Castro King. No, I'm not your mentor. No, I'm not. I'm just a student as well, just like everyone else, trying to see what the market is doing, not trying to predict it but anticipate it. So as you can see, we're reacting from the fair value gap I mentioned before, but I want to see it come to the 50%, but not close above it, and then that will. We also have a fair value gap here, but not. I want to see this one. I want to see entry from 50% of this one. Like straight away, yes, the session opened and we got a trade, but we have to wait for it to be executed. We can't just jump in right now because the RR would not be ideal. I mean, it would be 1-to-1 still, but the stop loss wouldn't be ideal. Okay, so I hope that everything's good, music is good. I believe it's okay. So we just now gotta wait for a sweep. Um we also got the equal lows right here. Well, not equal lows, but relative equal lows. A lot of liquidity. Um, so yeah, I'm just looking about this, seeing how market reacts. Hello guys, I'm just waiting for some people to join. So we got a new week opening gap, aligning with this with this new with this fair value gap, and then we got liquidity below this low, and then below this low. This is the basically the liquidity I'm aiming for, because if you watch the ICT's one setup for live video, you see this is the session liquidity, the AM session liquidity, and then if we go to the sessions, we can turn on the lunch, which is here, and this is the lunch sell side and lunch buy side. Okay, but I prefer this one as my original liquidity because it's from AM. Your idea is low. If you could adjust that, please. Is it low? Is it that low? Like, I think that's as high as it gets. I believe it. I believe that's as high as it gets. I'm not sure. Can you hear it well? Leticia, is it? Can you hear it well? Just let me know. Yeah, just like that. I want you guys to tell me if something is not all right, so I can adjust that. I will talk a little bit more louder, but I believe that's the max I can do in the OBS studio. Just make sure to turn up the volume if it's not loud enough. Okay, so make sure to check to the. Okay, so yeah, tell me if it's alright, tell me if it's not. We're just starting the stream, so we gotta be patient. Okay, at 12 a.m. we open. At 13. No, I'm not gonna take this trade. I'm not gonna take this trade because we got external buy side here, and we also got the volume imbalance on liquidity. But the candle close 1, 2. Yeah, this volume imbalance is still valid as drawn liquidity, so I will not enter yet. So this is my thingy. You know, the so liquidity and liquidity. I want to see one of those taken, or I want to see a later on trader silver bullet trade with a range of at least 10 handles with displacement. This would be the silver bullet. It's okay with my pods on, thanks. Okay, thank you, Leticia. Appreciate your chat, and thank you for the suggestion before. I hear you fine, GL. Okay, thank you. Yeah, I trying to increase the microphone a little bit, and I believe it's good now. So I will continue with that. So we just now gotta see the Nasdaq, what the Nasdaq is doing. So we are respecting the new week opening gap. You can see here, this is the lunch liquidity, this gray box, and then we got the new the AM liquidity is up down here, right, as you can see. So this high is also the high of the day, which is on Nasdaq, and it's right before the new week opening gap. New week opening gap. So this could be a nice drawn liquidity for buy side for the silver bullet. We just now gotta see a range. So the range is 20, at least 40 points. Yeah, if we get a silver bullet trade with a fair value gap somewhere inside here, I may take it long. We also got a bullish bias, and we also reacted from this, which could see expansion to this fair value gap. Is it everything understandable? And then guys, the previous two silver bullet trades I took on the stream. Now the one I lost wasn't the silver bullet, and the first one this morning wasn't the silver bullet, but it used the logic from it. So I will take them. I will take the segment, and I will make a time lapse and I will post it so you guys can see it, and I will speed it up, so it's gonna be 20-30 seconds long. So for you guys to review the trade without searching it on the stream if you want to see my trades. And also you have all executed trades on the Discord as well with my thinking and everything. So now we're just gonna wait and let the liquidity be taken. So If you guys have any pair suggestions, let me know. Like Euro, GBP, AUD, I'm not gonna take a look specifically if you the guys don't recommend it, because I mainly focus on indices such as Nasdaq and S&P. And this is basically this is it. So buy side, sell side, equilibrium. We also got this low sell side liquidity below the equilibrium, which could be another factor for a setup to form, but we will see that when we come there. Now, if you take a look, we have those and this low and this low are basically equal. We have 1 point of difference, so we can mark this, and this low is basically equal. So I'm gonna take a range to this, extend it. This is basically a range where the sell stops are. That's how I mark it, because I'm not gonna draw a line because price can go here and take it out, but well, I'm actually gonna, this is not a support and resistance, guys. This is liquidity, because there's liquidity below this low, and this low is basically equal. So because there's literally 1 point of difference, okay, this is not support level, not resistance. This is just liquidity marked as a the liquidity, where the sell stops are in this example. So so first we gotta be patient. This is the most important thing, and then when the trade presents itself, we gotta execute on it. The patience is the most important thing that when trading, because I think I read somewhere that 10% is waiting. I mean, no, 10% is buying, 10% is selling, and then 80% is waiting. So it's gonna be tough. It's gonna be tough, and we can't do it. Yep. Let me just answer some questions, and I'll be right back. So, nothing at a chat. Okay. If you have any questions that I may be bothering you about the silver bullet or any other entry setup, then let me know. I will explain to you on an example, because I can use the replay while we are waiting, and I can do it for you right now. I will set alerts, and I will see. So the things I'm looking at is this liquidity, and then this sell side liquidity with this buy side liquidity from the AM session. And this is the lunch, by the way. There, as you can see, there's no volatility, just a move up, consolidation, and really not any setup. By the way, I'm using on a 5 minute because it's the most visible. On the 15 minutes, it's a little bit compressed, and on the 1 minute, it's a little bit like this. So the 5 minute is perfect for the intraday analysis, and the 15 minute, of course. So let's look at the euro just real quick, what the bias are and what I think about it. So the DXY, we are definitely very bearish. We are going for deep. If we are bearish, we're probably gonna take the lows below here, which we can see a joint liquidity to, and then that means SPX is gonna be bullish, which we see is aligned with our SPX and Nasdaq bias, which can't be a good confirmation for us to long. So we want to see a lunch lows being taken first. So price need to get in here, and then it's also in the discount, so we can long from here. And it will be aligned with all the things we need to be concerned about. And by the way, this orange line is also a volume imbalance from previous few days, which can be a drawn liquidity as well. It's not support and resistance. Let's see. The 3 minute, how the 3 minute is. Yeah, it's looking decent. Now we're entering the silver bullet hour, and this is where we can get our trade potentially. Okay, so I'm gonna see this. We also have sell side here. So from 8:30, from 9:30, I'm sorry, to 12 is right here. And now we're just gonna wait for the silver bullet to play out, and then we're gonna take some trades today, hopefully. We're gonna see how it goes, and hopefully good. So I'm gonna just see my frameworks. So 10 handles from this, and then, by the way guys, 10 handle is a minimum framework for the silver bullet trade, for a high probability silver bullet trade, as ICT said. And then 10 handles like this. So we want to see a nice displacement, and then we gotta use the fair value gap. It fits our framework for the trade, and then we will take the silver bullet and hopefully we nail it, right? 50% off at 1-to-1 and let it run towards the liquidity. So it's kind of good volatility today, much better than yesterday. So I'm confident about the PM session trading. Okay, let's see, what do we got? Let's see. Yeah, we're just going down right now. Nothing really. We have a displacement now. Not a displacement. We are moving down right now. Maybe taking the lunch lows, but I really prefer this low to be taken if we do, or this one even better. And this and this low are also equal, so we will see what we get. Now we're also like in the middle, which is also in the middle of our frameworks. So you always have to frame your trade before you take it, okay? So that means that the distance from your entry, in this case from the fair value gap to your drawn liquidity, should be at least 10 handles for a high probability silver bullet. Is this clear? Okay. So yeah, we're definitely gonna trade silver bullet if the setup presents itself. Otherwise, I'm not gonna force it, because you shouldn't force your trades when you're trading. On the Nasdaq, we're moving lower. We also have this sell side liquidity, but I'm not interested in trading Nasdaq. I'm more interested in trading S&P, just because of the price action and because I trade S&P more often, and also it's much better for me. Just trying to yeah, I'm gonna change that. I'm sorry. I'm gonna change that as lunch low. So guys, you guys can see it better. It's gonna be gray, lunch low, and then style also gray. No, lunch you. I'm sorry. Lunch low. And it's gonna be in the middle, and the bottom, center, 14. Okay, so this is the liquidity, this is the lunch low. I'm actually gonna make it black. Okay, so this is the lunch low. Okay, very good. Okay, now it's clear, right? You guys can see what I'm looking for and what I'm annotating. So this should work. As you can see, we're internal liquidity with the lunch lows. We have low, 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 which are 3 equal lows in general liquidity. Before we tap into, we move up. Before we tap into, we move up. We engineer more liquidity, which means that when we sweep this liquidity, this could be a way more profitable silver bullet trade. we just gotta be we just gotta be patient, not forcing any trades. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope we find it insightful, because I really like and enjoy doing these streams with you. Live trading, of course. I mean, I'm gonna trade anyway, so why not doing it on live and explain to you guys so you can learn as well, and maybe pass a prop firm challenge if that's your goal. If that's not, just grow your personal account. So, but once you pass it, this is not the end of the this is not a high of the hill, but it's just the start of another one. So it's really hard to manage it, and I am aware of that once you get funded. So the first payout is the hardest, probably, because you're so excited. Hi everyone. Hello David. Hello. How are you? Welcome to the stream. Hope we smash some silver bullets today as well, and some good trades. Hopefully. So yes. So just waiting and seeing price and liquidity. Nothing more. Just chilling. There's no need to force trades, so we have to incorporate that as well. I hope the music is fine. It's like chill, and I hope it's that like suits the vibe, because I really want it to be enjoyable. Okay. What do we have? So by the way, my third stream, which I'm really proud of, and I hope it's gonna be profitable. Now the last two streams didn't go well. Like, I made a little bit, but I was expecting a lot more, which I could without the loss previously, but this is a part of the game. Things happen and things don't happen, so we enter liquidity. Launch lows, equal lows, we're probably gonna go down, which means a retracement to the upside and then continue down. So I want to see maybe this high swept or this. I prefer this low. David, the music is okay. Thank you very much for this comment. I appreciate it. That I finally found the ratio between my mic and the ratio between the music and the other people that join. Because yesterday it was awful, right? It was not good. I rewatched the stream. I was like so quiet. You guys were like tortured by me. I'm sorry, but it was like so hard to listen. So yeah, I got some adjustments, and we're not reacting from this. Still no setup, nothing. So I don't recommend trading right now, because there's a consolidation going on from the lunch, and I really wouldn't trade right now. So I will see. I trust in this. So wait, why do I have? Yeah, the lunch is to 13 to 30. Yeah, it is. Okay. So I'm gonna mark the silver bullet window, which is here, and then 14 silver bullet. I just have a template that doesn't really anything much, but it just shows it this 14 mark over to here. And let's see what Nasdaq's doing. Pretty much nothing. We swept the lows on Nasdaq. You see that? We swept the lows on Nasdaq, so this is something. Swept the lows. This could be something. I'm not sure, but this is what I was telling you about. The sweep of the lows while bullish could result in a setup and then targeting the highs of this session. So just there's literally no setup here, because once this low gets broken, this is really not what I want. We came up, we showed displacement, but really no high broken. Maybe on the 3 minute, if we break this high, this would be a nice setup, but I would prefer rally down, taking the lows with together with the S&P, and then continue gaps showing the. But now S&P is stronger. The longs are more favorable. The S&P is stronger, but still no market strategy shift, so we shouldn't trade this. Just yeah. Just waiting now, because this is really what we should do most of the time. So in 5 minutes, silver bullet opens, and we'll see what we do with that. Because the silver bullet, as you guys maybe know, it's a really good setup, time based, so we should wait it. It's from 14, it's from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. near local time. This is the PM silver bullet for you guys that don't know, but I think you probably know this. Yeah, we didn't do much on either one, so hello Murad, I mean Ali, hello. I'm just gonna call you by your short name because it sounds better. Hello Ali, what's up? How you doing? You guys took any trades today? I know for you, David, because we took the same one, but what about others? And did you win? Did you lose? Let's do a little conversation while we wait for the trade, because I would like to talk with you guys. Yeah, we took the lunch lows right now, just consolidating now with Nasdaq inside a new week opening gap. Okay, we're now reacting with Nasdaq, but still I wouldn't enter here, even though we took the lunch lows and we could see this high. I'm gonna wait for the silver bullet window or wait for S&P to drop below this low. Why? Because hello Ellie. What's up? Or yeah, as I was saying, we'll wait for S&P to drop below this. Now Nasdaq got a really nice displacement, even though the 2 minute is visible. We break the short term high, pushing up. Let's see what happens. Yeah, the setup would be really nice if there would be a short-term high somewhere around here. I would take this fair value gap, but unfortunately there's just not. We have this short-term high broken, but I don't really, personally, I don't like this. I don't like how this looks like. Even with S&P, we took this liquidity, but it's just internal, and I want to see a lunch low taken because we created equal lows. SPX, dollar, DXY is just going up. Still a nice setup, 2022 again, but on the 2 minute. But those are two equal lows, so I would wanna wait for this to be taken first, and then we continue with the silver bullet. So basically, silver bullet window is in silver bullet session starts in 2 minutes. Yeah. This could be a nice trade. Let's see gold. I haven't. No. I haven't looked at gold that much. You know, SPX, Nasdaq, Euro, the pairs that trade most. Just. Are you guys taking any funded challenges at the moment? Like trading with a funded challenge, or just trading with your personal account, just watching, learning, studying, you know. Let's see the equilibrium of this, where we are in the market. Yeah, we see the low, but we came to this equilibrium, to the 50% of this order block, to the tech. We reacted. Looks kind of decent for Nasdaq, but not entering yet because I want to see S&P do the thingy. You know, favoring the S&P over Nasdaq, my opinion. So we have the framework for the trade, perfectly matched with this fair value gap. So this could be a bullish silver bullet entry. But if you come, I'm currently on a challenge. David, what challenge are you? Like the size, 10k, 20, 25k, 50k? Because I'm doing a taking challenge, as you guys know maybe. I mentioned it a couple of times. And which I'm in a challenge currently up 1%. Congrats, Paul. Congrats, Paul. Up 1%. Nice. That's congrats. Well, I'm basically Jordan as well, David. So there's nothing wrong with that. I started last week pretty rough, but this week it's looking good yet. So, what prop firms do you use, guys? Just like to know. I'm kind of curious. We got a nice displacement right here. We got my forex funds. Okay, nice. Well, yeah, it's good to start with something low. I'm also started with a 10k challenge. My forex funds, yeah, they're good, but they are really good. They're on the scene for some really long time right now. With the FDMO, which is basically a old dog. But no one, I think no one's like really using FDMO now, because the other prop firms just got better conditions, even though it's the oldest. $5K challenge, second evaluation with Fivers. Smart prop trader. Oh, so Steven, you're doing a 5K challenge with Fivers? Nice. What's how are you doing? Are you a prophet or drawdown? Let me know. I'm curious. I'm not here to judge you. Paul, smart prop trader. Wait, isn't this the new prop firm from Paladin? The green brains, you know, the logo. How are they? I haven't tried them. Like never. I heard about them on Twitter. It's a hype. They gave 500 accounts, but I didn't really like look into it. I believe it's from the Paladin or some two guys. Yep. Nice. Steven, 5K challenge, second evaluation. Is this a phase 2 or you doing actually second evaluation? I'm not too sure what you're trying to say, but still good stuff right there. But there's a silver bullet starting right now. Started 3 minutes ago. We'll see what it does. We also break a short-term high on the Nasdaq. We're creating a fair value gap. So we'll see. What we'll see. Because nothing's too clear yet. On the Nasdaq, well, they swept the lows. We came into the discount. But there's a fair value gap with a lot of liquidity. Steven, need 1% on phase 2 to get funded. Oh my god, you only need one trade actually? Yeah, you actually need to win one more trade with a 1-to-1 if you risk 1% and you pass. Good shit, man. Good shit. I'm really like happy for you. I hope you get a payout, like a juicy one. Juicy payout. I'm really happy for you. I hope I get funded one day too. Like it's my first challenge, but maybe I'll get funded on first one. If I lose if I blow the first account, the first funded evaluation, it's fine though. There's nothing really tough about it. I mean, it's the first one, so I guess. But I'm really trying to pass this one. I'll see. That's why I'm trading with you guys, so maybe we can talk about stuff together. You can see my analysis. Mm. Just watching the market doing its thing. Yeah, this is a lot of liquidity down here. We can see a really nice trade, a really nice one. We'll see. There's still no trade right here, so I don't really know if we're gonna get one. I mean, it's 2 a.m. It's early. There's still 2 hours and something to the end of the session, so like it's a lot of time, but we'll still gotta see what happens. I'm looking forward for another trade. Again, congrats, Steven, on your funded. I hope you get funded soon. I hope you don't mess this up. Where's the low? I mean, where's the high? 30 and 30. So this is the low and this is the high. Yeah, this is buy side and sell side. We can check the what is the basically the narrative for the silver bullet itself. So we're inside this fair value gap right here, which is also balanced price range. We're also inside that, and we're just consolidating. Once we got here, we came up, consolidated, filled this fair value gap. Now we're consolidating here, and we could reach this level because we have a nice uptrend market. But for now, I would take the long if we come here and then react from it with a setup forming right there. Now you see there's a new week opening gap as well, so we could come into that. This could be a drawn liquidity, but look at this fair value gap. This is a really nice fair value gap, and you see how perfectly it's aligning with this volume imbalance. There's a volume imbalance, and then there's a new week opening gap. There's a volume imbalance. I mean, this is basically a gap, right? Volume imbalance is basically a gap, so I don't know what I drawn that, but this is basically a gap. But this isn't a new week opening gap, and it's still volume imbalance. So this is kind of drawn liquidity. This is kind of strong drawn liquidity. But this as well. This is a really this could be a really nice target if we have a bullish bias, which we do, because there's equal highs right here with a rejection block together. But now we just gotta wait for price to sweep liquidity and to do its thing, present us the setup. So Nasdaq, we swept liquidity, lunch lows. We're now moving higher. Nothing really shown, but we'll see what we get. Not forcing any trade just to get a trade, but really trying to genuinely trade this to be profitable and pass the account. you know, not doing much. Just since we started the session, we were just consolidating for like half an hour. Now we moved up, again consolidating 2 candles. Maybe this is gonna be consolidating candle 2. Good luck, Steven. Yeah, good luck. I'm expecting a move higher though, but not really expecting too much from this session. Again, it's PM. We'll see what we can squeeze out. We'll see. No. We'll see. Because, like, really chill. Just waiting for a setup, like I said. I'll be back, guys. I'll change the mic because I got this idea. I'll change the mic and then I'll see how it is, okay? I'll be back right now. Just give me a few minutes. Hello? Is it better? I'm not sure. Let me know. Let me know. Is it better? How is it? I changed the mic, so we'll see. If it's not better, I'm gonna just switch it back. Wait. Before or now? How is it? Before or now? Let me know. Sounds better? Okay, what about anyone else? Thank you, David. I think this sounds better too. But let me know. Let me know. For some reason, it's only in one side of my headphones. For some reason. Hello, Metas. Yeah, I don't know. I think yeah, I hear it. I hear it as well in only one side of my headphone. But I don't know why. It's just weird. Yeah, MA. It's just weird. I don't know why. It's weird. Only one side. Oh yeah, that's because. Wait. I think I know why. Wait. It should be. It's weird. Oh. Oh yeah, I know. I can change that. I can change it on my stream. I changed it now. I changed it. No, music should be in both. Music should be in both. No, there's a balance, left and right side. I had the mic and right. I had the mic and right, that's why. That's exactly why. Now better? Now should be better. Oh yeah, I know. I can change it. I can change it on my stream. It's good now? Yeah, I know. I changed it because right here there's a balance. It was on right. I can change it on left. So now it should be in left. And then now it should be in right. And now it should be balanced. Okay. And what about music? I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm really sorry. We'll see. Super clean, David. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, it's so funny. I still have the everything is fine now. Okay, thank you, Matus. So the thing is, yeah, my bad. I'm still learning. Don't worry. It's okay, MA. It's okay. Just wondering if mic is better. I need this feedback. So if I change it back to the previous one, but I believe this one is better, right? Or because the previous one had some shh, you know. Sorry, guys. I'm really sorry. You know, shh, something behind. I don't know. So, but now I changed the mic, so it's way better. What do you think? There's still no setup on SMP, so we can talk. Just let me know because this is really important. Because if not, I will start using this mic, right? Because it's really better. If not, just gonna use the previous one. We'll see. This is really cleanly delivered right now because we have 1, 2, 3 equal lows. So let's just see. The previous session was right here. So yeah, let's see what ES is doing. The futures. Ignore this. I was just looking for something. So this is this is Tuesday. This is the AM session. I'll try demo for PM. For sure, Metas. Yeah, of course. This is a good idea. Because we are looking for longs now. And because there's so much liquidity that we'll probably take this low. But I still want to see this low as long term taken. So we have still we're now in a silver bullet window. We have this fair value gap. This could be a nice trade from this to this. But sounds much better. Thanks, Paul. But we were not interested because our daily bias is bullish and it's against our bias, so not really interested in that. So thank you, Paul, again. I will definitely use this one for my upcoming streams and upcoming videos because I know my audio quality is trash on some videos. I don't know why, but my recorder software just makes it worse. So okay, we swept the lunch lows right now, as you can see. We swept the lows, and now we're looking for buys. Now maybe we'll look. There's also this displacement to the downside. So if we violate this fair value gap, then we may look for longs. But this could be a nice silver bullet short, which I may not enter this. I don't know. It just doesn't look nice to me because we don't have a displacement below the low. Interesting. Yeah, we may look for a setup soon because we just swept the lunch lows, and it could be a really interesting trading session right now. But again, just let it play out. So yeah, I'm looking for trade on the 1 minute, but I don't like this 3 equal highs because then I have to use this one, which is a higher market structure shift. I'm not gonna use this 3 equal highs as a market structure shift. What Nasdaq's doing? Yeah, just sweeping the lows. It's getting deeper into fair value gap, into premium. S&P showing nice displacement to the downside now, but this is the sell side. This is the range. Yeah, this could be a silver bullet from here. As I said, it will bank you 5 handles. We have the range, fair value gap. We have the framework is more than 10 handles, so this could be a really nice silver bullet. Unfortunately, we didn't enter, but this wasn't our intention anyway. So we're now, our intention is for this lows to be swept. We also swept this liquidity, which I was told it would be much better. We went lower again, we swept it, and now we wait for our market structure shift, and maybe we're long because this is really nice. Yeah, we also had a confirmation, but nothing too serious to enter because my intention wasn't bullish. Yeah, I see. When I change the mic, there's so much viewers. I guess you guys just want a better mic, and there you go. It's not the best, but I guess it's much better. The stream is already going for 1 hour. The time is taking really fast, really fast. Yeah, the short-term low formed would be really nice. Just gonna show you displacement above it. We also have equal lows below the lunch low. Right here. Which we did swap. But nothing. But now we're just going down. So maybe what do you guys think? My bias is still bullish, so I wouldn't be interested in longs. Maybe one more silver bullet from this fair value gap. But I'm kinda not 100%. We would be buying in premium, so that's good. This fair value gap was also in premium, so this was awesome. And then we're going down, we're sweeping those lows. Now we can look for a long setups. You could look for a long setup soon. Or a silver bullet from this fair value gap, but I don't like it because from this low to from this high to this low, I want it to be in premium. But the thing is, if you look for the, yeah, I believe the OT level somewhere around here, pairing with this order block, which could be really nice. But we also got a new week opening gap drawn liquidity below here, so this could be a really nice target if you enter short around here. We will see. We will see. Again, as I mentioned, we have an order block here, which could be a really nice rejection. Price showing a rejection. But I believe we also got OTE, because market is trending really nicely. Even though it's choppy, it's trending. So this could be a really nice point for market to turn around. Yeah, we're dropping down even more. On the 1 hour, what do we see? We're coming into the wick. This is the 50% of the wick is aligned with the new wick opening gap. Very nice drawn liquidity as well. Again, daily bias is long, as I believe we said yesterday the bias is long, so this is really nothing new. Just gotta wait for a confirmation, which would be a high formed here, price drop below, rally up, enter the 2022 model, and target this high buy side liquidity, which is a 10 handle range above it. Really perfect, nice plan. But yeah, we're pushing up right now, displacing to the upside. We have a really nice displacement, but there's not really any short-term high to be broken, so I'm gonna think about that as well. Let's go to the 2 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute. Immediate rebalance. We can now continue up or down, but I would like to see a short-term high form. We'll see, we'll see. We have time, so no worry to hurry. Super clean, David. Yeah, thank you. There's no background music, right? Is it now? No, it should be. Oh, good displacement. Yeah, really nice. Are you seeing that? This could be a really nice long setup, displacing above the lunch lows. We also have this short-term high, but maybe this could be counted as a short-term high because they're 3 equal highs, right? Could this be counted as a short-term high? Because on lower time frames, it's like this. Then price comes up, create a short-term high. Price comes down, create this short-term high, and then price goes below it, and then comes above it. Like those 3 are equal highs, right? They're just in lower time frames. They're single highs, right? I think that's how it works. So this could be counted as a short-term high, right? Am I right? I'm not too sure. I haven't looked at that much. I have a fair value gap right here, so I will enter from this fair value gap when I see one. Stop loss below the low. Targeting lunch highs. 1% risk. Let me take this high even. I'll see. I'll not enter yet, but you see guys, this is really nice displacement. Really nice displacement. Shoot up right after taking this low. Shoot up. Also got this implied volume imbalance right here. I'm gonna delete this for my chart to be cleaner. Let's see what it does. Cool. See, we are going for this short-term high, which would be awesome if we take it. So how we guys? What? Yeah, we're gonna take this high soon. We're gonna take the high soon, most probably. Then we'll see what we'll do. But could be a nice trade, honestly. What do you guys think? This is really nice displacement. I'm gonna mark this as displacement. Gonna screenshot it and post it in the Discord. Share setup, you guys can go check it out. It's under share your setups. But you guys see it on screen, so it's really... Wait, Faridi, what does that mean? I'm gonna translate it. Guys, wait. I'm curious about it. Translator. I hope you will be as direct as possible. What do you mean, Faridi? What does that mean? As direct as possible. Let me know if you speak English. Let me know. I'm curious about this. So, we have we still didn't take the short-term high. I was kind of expecting for the short-term high to be taken. But we'll see. We will see, but this long setup looks kind of good. Kind of really like juicy. Because the displacement is just perfect, but now the short-term high hasn't been taken yet. Not yet, but soon. I think he means accurate. Yeah, I hope I will be accurate as well. There's still... I mean, you could kind of count this as a short-term high break. So I could take a long here, but I'm not too sure. I usually don't do this. Yeah. What do you mean? I mean, we can talk, of course. Just let me know more. Can you be more direct? I'm not gonna enter to here, guys. I'm not gonna enter. But this is not the ideal scenario. We didn't take the short-term high, so I'm not gonna enter. Okay, I only want to take the best setups that form. I'm not gonna force the trade. If we shoot up, I don't care. It's fine. On Nasdaq, we don't take any short-term high either. We barely come below above the liquidity. No, I'm not gonna take this. So we react from this fair value gap. Now we could long here, but it wouldn't be high probability because of those equal lows. I do like this setup. If we took this high, this would be perfect, guys. If we took this high, this would be perfect. But I guess market didn't go above this high. Let's check what ES did. I'm curious about it. No, ES didn't do anything. He just stayed in the range. It just stayed in the... Wait, my data is delayed? Wait, what can I use? I saw something. Wait. No, I can't use because I don't have data. I guess that's fine. It's totally fine. I don't need ES. Who needs ES when you have SPX? Let's go. So we see displacement to the downside. I know this wasn't a good idea forcing this trade, so we're just gonna look for a new setup. We have time, guys. We have time for it, but we can do. Thank you guys for 20 viewers. I appreciate that. I appreciate you. So right now there's really no setup, as you can see. Really just consolidating from this high to this low. There's a range, but we'll see what happens. We'll honestly see what happens. Nothing really going on right now, so we'll see. Just chilling. Thank you, Love Ice. I appreciate your comment. Wow, good one. Be confident. Thank you. Yeah, we should not take this trade because there's no short-term high break. Took an entry long on the higher FVG. Nearly missed since I went to take a shower. What do you mean? Took an entry long of the higher FVG? You mean this one? Nearly missed since I went to take a shower. Not sure what you mean though. Seems like it could be a great trade if those short-term lows get taken. Yeah, if those short-term, if this short-term high get taken, then this could be a really great trade. Yeah, I think you mean highs, right? Page back. You mean highs, right? Because if lows get taken, then we have to see the same setup. The highs get taken and then entry from the Fair Valley gap. This is just how it goes, right? What do you mean? Suggest somewhat. Love Ice. What do you mean? Explain, because not sure what you're talking about. Can you suggest me some? I will, but I don't know what in the first place. So let me know a little bit more, and then we'll see what I can do. I'll see what I can do. So, can you give me which market is best for trading? I love SPX. I love SPX. I love Nasdaq. I also like Euro USD. It is very good, and GBP USD and AUD USD for forex. I don't trade USD JPY. I just look at it sometimes. I mainly trade SPX and Nasdaq. I don't look at Bitcoin that much anymore. I just have it to see if there's really any long-term setup. But I usually trade only SPX, Nasdaq, Euro, and GBP. Those four pairs. I look at gold. I trade gold sometimes, but I focus mainly on SPX. As you know, we are mainly trading SPX on streams. Maybe Nasdaq if the better setup forms there, but SPX. Yeah, since the last candle was a swing low and it got Swap with displacement. That was that I saw instantly. That's what I saw instantly. I came back. Really nice. So are you long? Made us love Nasdaq on top for me. Yeah, I know you love Nasdaq, Matas. So love I say aging which market? I love SPX. So indices market or CFDs depending on your broker. It's basically the same, I think. Okay, so we have another displacement to the upside, which is really nice to see. Nice. 5 candle stop loss. Yeah, that's what I do most of the time. 5 candle stop loss. This is exactly what I do. We'll see. We have a really nice displacement right now. What is the... Okay. Could be a silver bullet trade as well. We'll see. We took out the highs, so now we can be looking for fair value gap. We'll see. If we take a Fibonacci, okay, we have an order block here. So I may be entering from... Yeah, we see a nice market structure shift on the 2 minute as well. On the 3 minute as well. On the 5 minute as well. So I went here from... As you can see, guys, this is a really nice long setup. Fib the buy displacement. When I'm sorry, guys. I will answer your trades. I will answer your questions soon. But we got a displacement, and this is looking really nice. We got the down closed candles. On the 3 minute, it's even better. On the 1 minute, we got this fair value gap. So if you use from the low, dude, high, we have this. Where's the break? I believe this is a order block. Yeah. Remove this. Remove the unnecessary things. I'm not gonna chase the price though. I'm gonna wait. So I'll probably take the entry at a 5 minute order block. 3 minute order blocks looks really good. Really nice order block on the 3 minute. So do you guys see that as well? Yeah, me too, Matas. I'm also definitely confident. You see? So everyone is focused on the money, not on the process. Yeah, that's true, Love Ice. And if you are focused on money too much, you're gonna lose everything because you're too greedy. When we can trade reversal, and if you can, of course, we can trade after the liquidity taken. Yeah, you have to trade after liquidity is taken. So you have the. So this is the 5 minute order block. This is the 3 minute order block. This is the 2 minute order block. This is the 1 minute order block. It's everything is aligning with every single thing. Can you see that, guys? This is beautiful. So I will take an entry right here. When price goes to this, I'm gonna enter. Why? Because I'm basically entering here, but I count a spread. So I basically enter 4422.8. Yeah, perfectly. So guys, this is really nice setup. Really nice setup by me. I think so. We would target. We would enter here, basically here. Stop loss would be basically 5 candles. Take profit would be up here for 1 to 2. Really nice setup. Really confident. Really confident. We just gotta see a retracement and we're good, guys. We're good. We have to see the retracement first. I mean, yeah, of course we could buy in this fair value gap, as I was saying. We could buy here, but we didn't see any low broken, any high broken, so not an ideal setup. I hope this setups play out, come back, give us an entry. This would be really, really good. Really, really good. We're not gonna chase price, guys. Again, this is really, really important. Really important, guys. Really. You have to stay consistent and take your entries. So I'll probably, yeah, my entries here. I'm gonna place a limit order right now. Stop loss below this low. Actually, 5 candles. Give it or take it. But so I'm gonna place the limit order, and let's see. Volume is gonna be 2 SPX. Pending order, volume 2, and then price. So we said 4422.8. So then stop loss 4417.8. So exactly 5 candles. And then 2, and then take profit is exactly 4433.1. Wait, I'm gonna do this so you guys can hear the audio. Can you guys hear the executions now? Let me know. I will place the order. Can you guys hear the order? I think you did. Let me know in the chat if you heard the order being placed. Let me know, because I really want to see. Wait, Metas is typing me. Yep, okay, nice. Yes, okay, love eyes. Most that with the O plus the short term high being beautiful setup I'm longing to. Let's get it, pig bug. Let's get it, man. Let's get it. But price has to return, which I hope it does. We'll see. I'm not gonna chase price. No trade, or come here, or no trade. We did react from this fair value gap, but I'm not trying to chase price, as I said. This is the setup, and I want to take it right now. So I'm gonna share my setup. We'll see. Gotta wait, gotta wait. We could enter this fair value gap, but that would not be the entry we are looking for, right? No entry for now. No entry for now. We're just going up without us, so I don't know what now. I'm not gonna chase price, that's for sure. I'm not gonna enter, but we'll see. Yeah, it's still away. This could also be a perfect silver bullet trade if price returns. So hey Zachary, draw a fib on the low that swap liquidity from the low to high. From the low to high? Yeah, what is it? What is it? What is it? David, what do you want me to do? You want me to turn on the level 0.62, the OT, or the slow? Which one? We'll see. We will see. This is interesting, really interesting. This could be a really nice long setup. Looking forward to it, but what do you mean it reacted off the 786? Wait, you mean this low? What is a fractal high? Hey, what is a fractal high? What do you mean a fractal high, David? What do you mean? You mean this is a fractal high? Right here? Yeah, that would be a nice long then. Oh my god, this would be a really awesome long, man. Shit. This would be a really nice trade if you use the fractal high, but yeah, I'm just gonna wait for my long, and we'll see. We'll see. I don't know what we'll do. Just gonna do 100 so it's easier. Because I'm risking 1%, so 100 is actually 1, so if I wanted to take partials. Yeah, sure, take send analysis, of course, man. Why would I need to give you permission? Just send it. Of course, send it. Oh, now we're going higher. Really, really high. Yeah, I'll probably have to learn something about the fractal highs because I don't really know what it is, to be honest. I don't really know what fractal high is. But we'll see. We'll see. Yeah, we're gonna reach the Asian highs. That is what I was telling you guys. When you're bullish, when we take the lows, we go higher and take the highs. So in this case, yeah, some of you may took the long like Metas, but I didn't. I'm gonna wait for the price to come back before we sweep the high of this. But which we probably don't. But you know, gotta be still maybe. Otherwise, this trade would be like awesome. This trade would be awesome if I took the low, long, stop loss, 1 to 4 R. Are you? Yeah, that's really like amazing. 1 to 4 R. That would be awesome, man. This trade. Which I said it's on a high probability. Like it could also easily go down, right? Because we didn't actually broke any. We did it again, bro. Fire. Thank you so much. Just waiting for price to reach the Asian highs. Just waiting. Chilling. Oh, is this your trade, David? Is this your trade? If you took this trade, congrats, man. This is really, really good. This is really, really good. Congrats. Well, I missed the entry today on the PM, but I could, yeah, that could be counted. Fractal high, you're right. Maybe. But I'm not sure. I'll probably close the limit order soon, because we're going right into this liquidity pool above here. We'll wait, no problem. One to AR, really nice. That's amazing. Well, I missed my trade, so see you tomorrow on the afternoon, because I don't think today we're gonna get any more trades, to be honest. It's coming to an end of the day, so I'm not gonna end the stream, of course. I'm not gonna end the stream. I'm gonna wait, but we'll see. We'll see what actually happens. Just waiting. Probably not gonna get any more trades today. Yeah, the buy side gonna be taken, but then it's gonna be end of the session already. So I might end the stream. I don't know. Just there's nothing to really do. Because the trade didn't play out, so That's obvious. So no, I don't know. I will see what happens. Well, I will wait for the end of the 16 p.m. I'll close the charts on the 16 p.m. and then I will say goodbye and see you tomorrow. Tomorrow there'll be no AM stream, by the way, only PM. Why? Because there are news on AM. Maybe, yeah, we can do the stream at AM. Of course, we can do the stream at AM stream, but it's gonna start later on in the day. So let's see Forex Factory for tomorrow. There is today, tomorrow. Tomorrow there's CPI on 8:30, and then at 10 a.m. there's something. There's some red folder news, but it's for Canadian dollars, so I might do the 9:30 due to swing after news. So the stream might start at 9:30, and then we will continue trading like normal, but we'll see. Today till 16, and then tomorrow it's gonna start at 9:30. So that's the plan. Hop on tomorrow. Yeah, we can do it tomorrow. At 9:30, David, because the news are gonna be. So at 8:30, basically, are the news, and then at 9:30 we can start the stream. Yeah, I will announce today and tomorrow, but it's already decided, so it's totally fine. At 9:30 I will wait. I will just type in now. We're waiting. So stream 4:12. Wait. One second, guys. I will be right back. See ya later, David. You did a good job today. Congrats. 23 will start at 9:30 a.m. EST. Okay, keep that in mind. Because of news, I will be posting at the Discord, so we will see this when we. Thank you very much. No problem, David. See you tomorrow. You can relax now because you got a really nice one today. There's really nothing serious on Nasdaq that happened. But same as on S&P, just didn't give us an entry. There's a break of structure on the 5-minute, but there's really nice order block on 3-minute where I can enter as well. But I'm not gonna force any trades. We'll see what happens. Of course. I'm just waiting right now to see what happens. Gonna see what happens. No, there's no trade today anymore. I already posted it in Discord, so we will. Basically, yeah, okay. Mic is fine right now. Okay, guys, so. Yeah, no trade. Okay, so I think I will end the stream now because there's no volatility right now. We're not doing anything, just ranging. We missed the setup. Someone might enter. Congrats to you, but I will go off right now and relax, eat some dinner, and then we'll see you tomorrow in the AM session. So I hope you enjoyed the stream. Some of you banked a profit like David, but I personally missed the trade, so it's totally fine. I will put the update in the Discord. So I hope you enjoyed the stream again. Thank you for tuning in, and stay safe. Good luck, and see you in the next stream tomorrow. Goodbye. Enjoy the rest of